Have you ever imagined a world where robots and artificial intelligence not only work alongside us but actually create jobs that don't even exist today? Believe it or not, this future is closer than you think. By 2040, AI won't just replace human tasks, it will redefine the entire concept of work. Welcome to Tech Tomorrow, where we explore how technology is shaping our future today. And in this episode, we're uncovering how AI will transform human jobs and create completely new careers that will blow your mind. Let's begin with a simple truth. Every major technological revolution in history has reshaped the job market. The Industrial Revolution shifted workers from farms to factories. The Computer Revolution moved millions into office jobs, programming, and IT. Now, artificial intelligence is driving the next wave of change. But here's the twist. Instead of simply automating human work, AI is opening up entire fields that require human creativity, emotional intelligence, and oversight in ways we couldn't have imagined before. First, let's talk about the jobs AI is likely to transform. Routine and repetitive work like data entry, basic accounting, or even simple customer service will increasingly be automated. But this doesn't mean mass unemployment. Instead, it means humans will move into more creative, analytical, and high-value roles. Think of AI as a powerful tool, like electricity or the internet. It replaces some functions, but it sparks countless new industries at the same time. For example, consider AI in healthcare. Right now, doctors spend hours analyzing patient scans, lab results, and medical histories. With AI, machines can instantly flag abnormalities, predict risks, and even suggest treatment plans. But this doesn't replace doctors, it elevates them. The doctor of 2040 won't be buried in paperwork. They'll be focusing on patient interaction, personalized care, and innovative treatment strategies. Entire new careers will spring up around this: AI health interpreters, digital wellness consultants, and genetic data analysts who help design tailored therapies for each patient. Next, think about education. By 2040, AI tutors will be so advanced that they can adapt lessons to each student's unique learning style in real time. Imagine a classroom where every child gets one-on-one attention from an AI mentor, adjusting instantly to their pace and strengths. But again, teachers won't disappear. Instead, their role will shift toward guiding, mentoring, and inspiring students. We'll see careers like AI curriculum designers, emotional intelligence coaches, and hybrid teacher technologists who blend human empathy with machine precision. Now, let's turn to one of the most exciting fields: space exploration. With private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and national agencies all racing toward Mars and beyond, AI will play a central role. Robots will construct habitats, mine resources, and maintain life support systems. But guess what? Humans will still be needed to manage, supervise, and innovate. By 2040, we could see job titles like interplanetary systems manager, a habitat architect, or even robotic colony coordinator. These roles will require a deep partnership between humans and intelligent machines, where trust, creativity, and adaptability are just as important as technical skill. But let's zoom in closer to our daily lives. Take agriculture. Feeding a global population that could reach 9 or 10 billion by 2040 will demand radical solutions. AI-driven farms are already emerging, using drones to monitor crops and machines to optimize irrigation and harvests. But the real shift will be in careers. Future farmers may spend more time programming AI bots than plowing fields. Expect new roles like agricultural AI specialists, genetic crop designers, and even vertical farm architects who build skyscrapers filled with automated food systems in crowded cities. And what about creative industries? A lot of people worrying that AI will take over art, music, and film. But creativity is deeply human, and AI is more of a partner than a replacement. By 2040, we may see careers like AI art curators, who guide machine-generated creativity into meaningful works, or virtual world builders, who design immersive digital realities blending art, storytelling, and advanced simulation. Imagine a blockbuster movie where entire alien civilizations are co-created by human directors and AI imaginations working side by side. Another fascinating frontier is personal AI companions. By 2040, it's likely that many people will have their own deeply personalized AI assistants, not just for scheduling meetings, but for emotional support, lifelong learning, and even health monitoring. These systems will require new careers in ethics, training, and human-AI relationship management. Picture someone working as an AI ethicist, ensuring machines treat humans fairly, or a digital life coach who specializes in helping people maximize their AI's potential without losing their sense of humanity. Now, let's talk about cybersecurity. As AI systems become more powerful, the risks grow too. Hacking in 2040 won't just mean stealing passwords, it could mean manipulating entire AI systems that control energy grids, hospitals, or even autonomous cities. This will give rise to a huge demand for AI security experts, algorithm auditors, and digital trust managers who make sure these powerful tools remain safe and accountable. In fact, cybersecurity could become one of the biggest career fields of the 21st century. But what about brand new careers that we haven't even considered? Let's imagine some possibilities. Memory surgeons, specialists who use AI to help people restore, edit, or enhance their memories. Climate AI strategists, experts who design machine-driven models to fight global warming and adapt cities to rising seas and shifting weather. AI relationship managers, professionals who help companies and individuals manage emotional connections with their AI companions and systems. Synthetic life designers, scientists who collaborate with AI to create new organisms for food, medicine, or environmental cleanup. It might sound like science fiction, but so did smartphones 50 years ago. The truth is, technology doesn't just replace jobs, it reinvents them. And AI is the most powerful reinvention machine humanity has ever built. Of course, this shift won't come without challenges. There will be a massive need for reskilling programs, because millions of workers in traditional jobs will need training for new AI-powered careers. Governments, schools, and companies will need to collaborate to make sure people aren't left behind. And ethics will play a critical role because as AI grows more powerful, we must ensure it reflects human values, fairness, and respect for privacy. But if history teaches us anything, it's that human beings are endlessly adaptable. The jobs of tomorrow may not even exist today, but by 2040, they'll feel as natural as being a software engineer or a digital marketer feels now. The key is to see AI not as a threat, but as a partner, one that can free us from repetitive tasks and open up new possibilities for creativity, empathy, and innovation. So, what should you do to prepare? The answer is simple: focus on the skills AI can't easily replace. Creativity, emotional intelligence, problem solving, and adaptability will be more valuable than ever. Learn how to work with AI, not against it. Because the most powerful workers of 2040 won't be humans or machines alone, they'll be humans and machines working together. As we wrap up, remember this: the future of work isn't about losing jobs, it's about gaining entirely new ones that will redefine what it means to be human in the age of artificial intelligence. The next 20 years are going to reshape society in ways that are both challenging and exciting. And if you're ready to embrace this change, the opportunities are limitless. This is Tech Tomorrow, your guide to the future. If you enjoyed this journey into how AI will reshape our jobs and careers, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Tech Tomorrow, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss our deep dives into tomorrow's world. Thank you for watching, and let's embrace the future together.